Why, hello there, guys. How are you guys doing? And yes, I'm still alive. This is Ron here, and this is my bonus review page for Nova. And Nova is a TikTok product. Now, before I get started, first of all, I'd like to say it's been a long time, probably about 8 months since I filmed a YouTube video for make money online products and video reviews and that sort of thing. And I'd just like to say I'm sorry, but I was actually working at a local store near my house. They needed help, and I thought, getting out of the house, with COVID and everything, I thought it was a good thing to do, so I decided to do it. And it's kind of at the point where the help was done, and I wanted to get back to what I love doing, which is helping people make money online, digital product services and that sort of thing, right? So on that note, thank you very much for tuning in to this video review of Nova. This product is going to be coming out, I believe, Tuesday, either at 6 or 9 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. Don't quote me on that, but we're going to go through my bonus review page here. The sales page isn't up just yet, and I'm going to take you to my bonus bundle access, and when you guys see this, it's going to be amazing. So I teamed up with Jono, Shishan, Robin, and Ashley Perry. All these guys are all teamed up to produce Nova, and it's a product about TikTok. Another thing I've done for the past year, guys, was I actually observed how TikTok works for a whole year, right around this time last year to about now. So it's been about a year, and it's an amazing platform. It's highly addictive. You can get lost in the rabbit hole there, but it is really the place to be for social media, for traffic, it's like the wild, wild west right now out there on that platform. If you could find a way to monetize it and make money off of it, it's highly profitable. So let's get started here. I'm also invested in Groove Pages too. So this is my first bonus review page on Groove Pages and not on my own website. So I thought I did a decent job, but I might tinker things in the future. So let's get started here. Product launches for $12.95 on Tuesday morning, and I'll have 20 bonuses available. So this is what's in the sales funnel here, guys. So I'm going to highlight there so you can know over the front end product. FE stands for front end. It's $12.95. So basically it's telling you how to, how this product's going to work. And basically it's going to be a Chrome extension. So it's something like these little guys right here. I use Google Chrome. I find that it's highly intuitive. It works. It's the most supported web browser out there right now. So anyways, so you get that Chrome extension, and then on top of that you get done for 3x3 included for your offers. It's hosted by them on the front end. You get a highly converted squeeze page and thank you page for the convenience, right? And it's all done hosted by them for you. Upsell number one is going to be Nova Pro for $47. That is unlimited everything. You could, with this upgrade, you're able to use the Chrome extension with unlimited TikTok accounts. So that's how this is going to work. It's going to be really, really crazy in that sense, because you could have so many things targeting so many different things, right? You could have one for make money online. You could have one for health and fitness. I mean, literally you name it. I mean, it's on there, right? So it's really good in that sense. Upsell number two is the Nova Done For You campaigns. So you get 25 of the most highly converted campaigns. You get bonus pages, review videos, hosting, giveaway rights, exclusive YouTube traffic, opportunity seeker software. That's going to be really nice. And then you get traffic training included, and then a rank hacker training as well. Upsell number three is the high ticket done for you funnel, plus unlimited traffic, which unlocks Instagram and Twitter. So this is really good. So this is like I think it was called limitless traffic back last year when I was doing it, and even the last half of 2018 when I started this. Really good. It's gives them you can give your pixel on their sales pages, and whoever comes there, your pixel gets the audience, and then you could retarget that audience, the internet marketing audience, or whoever came to their sales pages, and then you could retarget with like Google ads or Bing ads or whatever type of traffic source that you're targeting, right? It's really good in that sense. Upsell number four is the 3-app products reseller rights license bundle. That's a tongue twister right there. So combine developers' rights to the software, the resell rights, and access to 3 of Robin's best converting products. Buyers of this upsell also get to sell Nova as if it was their own product, and they get to take away or keep 100% of the commissions on the whole funnel. I believe the whole funnel is like $700, right? I mean, if you take a look at this, that's almost 200, that's almost 200, that's almost 147, and then $12.95, right? So now we're going to my mega bonus bundle deal, and this is really good. I'd like to thank Robin and the guys for giving me access to this stuff. It's really amazing. So bonus number 1, you get Gateway Supercharged. Bonus number 2, you get YT Supercharged. That's one of Robin's first courses he released. I think it was in July of 2019. Really good. And then this one here actually, I had a look at this, guys, and this is like, it'll absolutely blow you away what you get here. You get Robin's arsenal of bonuses. I don't know how many there is. There's probably at least over 20 alone. This absolutely is worth the price of admission alone for this whole product. Highly recommend you getting this. This is actually an image I used. So these aren't the actual products, as a disclaimer out there, right? I just used kind of like an image showing a whole bunch of bonuses together. So don't think it's these actual images that are that bonus. It's ridiculously crazy. I would seriously just buy this just for this. Like, seriously, it's that good. Bonus number 4, you get access to Robin's Facebook group, coaching. Endgame, I believe, I think Jonas, my buddy Jonas, is in there as well, and it's really good. I think Trevor Carr, man, Trevor, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Anyways, if you're watching this video. And then bonus number 5 is Igniter Advanced 2. So if you were to get all these bonuses, guys, separately, it would literally cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but you get it all free on this page, and on this page only, which is my Nova bonus review page. I only have 20 spots once again available. After that, it's going to be kind of done. I don't want any more people getting access to this besides the 20 that decide to invest by clicking on that link below. You know, that's my call to action. Click on the link below this YouTube video to get access to my Nova bonus training material and the actual course itself, right? It's really, really good. And it definitely has my stamp of approval in the sense of having something on TikTok that's viable, that's a whole bunch of methods just to get you going on that platform, because it's still, believe it or not, in its infancy, and they pay you for the amount of views. This is going to be very useful for that, right? And all the bonuses obviously are meant to take you to profits faster, give you more knowledge, give you more tools in your arsenal belt, and just get you going, man. I really want you to start making it online. It's only, today's Happy Valentine's Day, so happy late Valentine's Day to you guys too as well. And, you know, we're only like a month and a half into 2021. Get on it now. And if you guys can go on it, you won't regret it. Put in the time, put in the effort, take action, and just get started on it, right? So it's going to be really, really good. So if you have any questions, reach out to me at ron at ronneilmedallier.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can with any questions or inquiries you guys have. A little picture of me here again, and then I have obviously a little disclaimer here. All my reviews are genuine and honest in that sense, and I really do believe in this product. I do make affiliate commissions, so I don't want to say that I don't. But I'm providing you guys with a ton of resources here that, once again, Robin was grateful enough to give to me. So thank you again, Robin. Wish you the best on this launch. It's going to be really good, right? And I really want you guys to get in on this. So once again, click on the link below, or if you go to this page and you click on this page, just click on this Get Instant Access button down here. And then I believe I have another one up here as well. So click on those buttons if you want to get access to the product right away. Once again, it'll be launching in the morning of Tuesday, February 16th, 2021. And when you do, go to your Warrior Plus account, go to accessing the product, you will see something called buyer bonus URL. And then when you do click on that, you'll see this is your bonus bundle access here. You'll get, once again, if you want access to some of the upsells maybe you didn't get the first time around, you have access to that as well. And then you'll have your bonuses right here. I have them all ready for you guys, and I do want you guys to just crush it online. So once again, I wanted to keep this video short. It looks like I finally did it after almost a year and a half of filming YouTube videos. So I did make a few more videos, only a few, sorry, during the time I was working and not doing too much online, but I kept it under 10 minutes. So once again, click on that link below, guys. Get started with getting Nova and getting my bonus bundle access, and you guys won't regret it. Once again, bonus number 3 is just worth the price of admission alone. So my name is Ron, and thank you very, very much for tuning in to watch my video review of Nova. And I really do want you to get this product by clicking on that link below, guys. All right, take care, have a good day.